Today I am going to be making a large Deco mesh bow using 3 different colors of ribbon. What you will need is your ribbon, and I purchased this ribbon at Dollar Tree for $1, and it is the 6" by 5 yards. So I purchased 3 colors. So you'll need your Deco mesh ribbon, your scissors, and some floral stem wire for this project. Okay, and this is the 20 gauge floral stem wire. Okay, so what you're going to do to stack these bows is whatever color you want on the bottom, you'll start with. So I'm going to start with the blue. Let me go ahead and open the red first. Okay, so you can make these as full as you want, as big as you want, or as small. It all depends on the size loops you make. So what you're going to do, I'm not going to leave a tail for this bow because I'm probably going to put these on each side of my garage. So I'm just going to start it in my hand just like this and grip it tight with my left hand. And I am going to slide it down my right hand. And now this is about the size I want my loops. So I'm going to fold it together and hold. Then I'm going to let out some more ribbon. Let out about the same distance, make the loops about the same size. Fold it together. Make it a little bigger and hold. Keep gripping tightly the center with your left hand. Same thing, back and forth to get it as full as you want with the first color. Okay, so right now, this is what it looks like with 2 loops on each side. I think I'm going to go 3 loops. So let's go 1 more on each side. Okay, so now I am going to go ahead and cut the end. If you're having trouble holding the center, you could take your wire right now and wrap it around the center of it tight and go to the back and twist and tie it. But if you're not having any trouble holding it, then let's go to the next color and just continue right on top of the blue. I'm going to use the white. And I'm just going to place it. This tail ended over here, so I'm going to, it really doesn't matter which side you put it on, it's okay either way, but I'm going to go ahead and put it on my right. Okay, so let it out some, thread it through your hand, and you're going to have to play with it sometimes a little bit, but you're going to make a loop and try to make the same size loops that you have been making with the blue. Keep holding tight with your left hand in the center. Don't let go. Let it out some. Make another loop the same size. And just go back and forth like you did with the blue until you get 3 loops on this side. Okay. And it kind of wants to grab to the other side, but that's okay. So now we're ready to cut the white ribbon off. So this is what it looks like from the back and the sides, and I'm holding it tightly in the center. So I'm going to cut the white ribbon. And lay it aside. Now I'm ready for my last color, the red. Okay, so I'm going to let it out. And if you're having trouble, like I said, holding this tight, grab you some more stem wire, wrap it around these 2, give it a twist tight on the back, and then start with the red or your 3rd color, whatever color you're using. Okay, so here we go again. Just place the red, or whatever color you're using, your left hand. So see, I'm gripping all 3 colors tightly. Same size loops. Go back and forth. And you can also, when you get to your top layer, you can make them a little bit smaller than your other 2 if you want. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm not hardly going as big a loops this time. Okay, let me see, I've lost count. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm not going to leave a tail, so I'm going to go ahead and cut. Okay, so as you can see, this is how it looks in my hand because I haven't used any wire yet. So I am going to take my stem wire and I am going to place it around the center of all three colors. And I'm keeping it gripped tight. And I'm going to take it and I'm going to go to the back. Hold tightly, don't let go. Go to the back and I am going to twist my stem wire tight. And I'm going to do it a few times. Just like that. Okay, so now it's secure. So what I need to do is take it and I need to fluff my loops. So you're just going to take it and spread your loops out and make it nice and full. And you can just pull and tug. It's really not fragile. But you'll need to just make your loops open up and fuller. You see the back, so I can hold them on the back. Okay. So here we go. We've got our red, white, and blue Deco mesh bow. And it's really full, and you can make these smaller if you want, but it's kind of hard to hold the more colors you decide to go with. I can also show you how to make one with just one color real quick. So let me lay this one down since you want to get a close-up of that one. And I am just going to show you real quick how to make a smaller one with just a solid color ribbon. Okay, so you're going to do the same steps, and this is much easier. Just take with your left hand and make the same size loops, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, until you get the size you want, or whenever you run out of ribbon. Okay, so I'm running out of ribbon, so we're going to go ahead and trim. Take our wire. This one's not going to be very full, but it would still look cute on a wreath. Okay, then you're going to keep it pinched, go to the back, and just do a few twists. And then take it and just fluff your loops. It looks like I need to trim the end a little bit. It doesn't look too symmetrical. So let's go ahead and cut that off. But you can just play with it until you get it just like you want. Oops, sorry. Okay, this is not one of my best ones, but you can see how to do it. So I have other bow tying videos that you can see on my channel if you have any questions, or you can leave me a comment below and I'll try to answer your questions. And I hope you like this video, and please give me a thumbs up if you do, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.